Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this super soft and amazing date walnut cake without any added sugar. This is a super easy without beater recipe. The full recipe will be given in the description down below, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Here in a bowl, I'll be adding 10 dates. Remove the seeds from each one of the dates before adding it into the bowl. Once we've added our dates, here we'll be adding 1 cup of warm to hot milk on top of our dates. And let our dates sit in the warm milk for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now our dates here are completely soft. Add your dates with milk into the blender. Blend well till you get a smooth date milk batter. Pour your date milk batter into a bowl. Now here I'll be adding 1 cup plus 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoonful of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs at room temperature, few drops of vanilla essence. Now mix your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients using a whisk or a spatula. Now here we'll be adding our last ingredient, which is 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of oil. You can add melted butter if you like. Mix everything well till you get a smooth, lump-free batter. Here our batter is perfectly ready. Now here I'm adding chopped walnuts. You can add how much ever walnuts you like into the batter. Give it a good mix. Once that is done, pour your batter into the mold. Here I'm using an 8 by 3 inch mold lined and greased with butter paper. Spread your batter evenly throughout the mold. Now here I'll be adding my walnuts on top of my cake and a few chocolate chips. This is optional, you can add it if you like. Make sure you dust your walnuts with a little bit of flour so it doesn't sink in the batter while it's baking. Now here we will bake our cake in a preheated oven at 170 to 175 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's done. Here our cake is perfectly ready. Demold your cake gently. Here our cake has been demolded and cooled down completely. Drizzle some chocolate on top. This is optional as well, but it really enhances the flavor. And here our cake is perfectly ready. Just look at how amazing it looks. Let's have a bite and see how it turned out to be. Oh my god, you guys, it tastes super amazing and sweet, and it's just full of flavor. You guys should try this recipe and share with me your feedback. You don't need to add any sugar because it's super sweet because of the date we've added into it. If you enjoyed baking with me today, please don't forget to subscribe and share with me your feedback. If you have any question, please mention it in the comment section down below. I'll be surely happy to answer everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.